Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change MetaMask password. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you have accessed the MetaMask interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be three dot icon. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and in the bottom of the pop-up box there will be lock MetaMask. So you just have to click on that lock MetaMask and you will have log out from MetaMask interface. And when the login interface is shown to you, you just have to click on that forgot password that is just below the unlock button. Just click on that forgot password, and after that you just need to enter your 2-bell recovery word phrase. So this is the phrase that can be accessed or shown to you during the login page, in your starting, during the sign up processes, or you can also extract the 2-bell word phrase from your MetaMask and by going to the privacy and security section. So you just need to copy the 2-bell word phrases from there and paste it here, and after that you just need to enter your new password and configure your new password, and you just need to click on that restore button and you will be able to change MetaMask password. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.